To change Facebook region or location settings in 2026, there are 4 ways to do that. First, let's launch the app. From menu, go to Settings. Scroll down for Language and Region. Now, as you can see, there is no direct region settings in here, but all you have to do is just enter all these available language options and make sure it's selected to your own language. Now, apart from this settings, the second way is just go back to the Settings and Privacy section and then scroll down and enter Device Permission. From there to Location and tap on See Info. Scroll down and hit Update Settings, and then hit Open Device Settings. Go to your Device Permissions section, and of course, make sure location is permitted in this list, because sometimes when you change your previous location, Facebook cannot automatically update it unless location is allowed in the app. Now, the third way to change region or location is just switch the location on your marketplace. So for that, open Facebook Marketplace, just tap on the location and then set your current location, and then just go ahead, set your current location and then apply it, and Marketplace region and location will be changed according to your current location. Now, the fourth and final way to update region settings is from your profile. From there, go to Edit Profile, scroll to Details, tap on Add, and then go to Add Current City. Put down your current location, city, or country, and then just save it. Now, you can share it to your profile or not, doesn't matter. But Facebook algorithm will now help you to search and view relevant regional contents and products. That's it. Thanks for watching.